How to download Microsoft Teams on your laptop. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily download Microsoft Teams on your Windows laptop. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser. You can use any browser and I'll be using Brave for this example. Type Microsoft Teams into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears, which should direct you to Microsoft's official website. On the Microsoft Teams page, look for the download button. You'll see options for download for desktop and download for mobile, so click on download for desktop. You may be prompted to choose between Teams for home or Teams for work or school. Select the appropriate version of your needs and click download Teams. Once the download is complete, go to the downloaded file. You can right click on the file and select show in folder to locate it. Double click on the setup file to begin the installation process. The installation will start and may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. The size of the download is around 150 megabytes. After installation, you'll need to log in or create a new account. If you have an existing account, just log in. Otherwise, you can create a new one or use your Google account for easier access. And that's it. Microsoft Teams is now installed and ready to use on your laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.